Hi there and welcome to Higher English, your go-to channel for mastering idioms, phrasal verbs, collocations and native-like expressions for business English. Whether you're a student, a working professional or an entrepreneur looking to improve your English skills for business success, Higher English is here to help and guide you every step of the way with our business English essentials. I'm Craig and today we're diving into the world of money and finance and we'll focus on 10 essential business English collocations that will give your language skills a real boost. Collocations are vital in mastering a language, especially when it comes to business English. They add fluency to your speech and make you sound more natural in professional settings. Let's get started. The first collocation on our list is make a fortune. This phrase is often used to express someone's success in making a large amount of money. It can be defined as achieving significant financial success. Maybe you've heard a story in the news of a successful business person or an entrepreneur and they've had this great idea. It gains popularity, starts selling really well. They work incredibly hard, doing a lot of hours, 6 or 7 days a week usually, and with a bit of luck, they make a fortune. After years of hard work, Jane finally made a fortune in the real estate market. The tech entrepreneur made a fortune after the successful launch of our latest app. Moving on to our next collocation, cut costs. This is commonly used in business to describe the action of reducing expenses or to not spend as much money as you had been doing, to save money in other words. More formally, it can be defined as decrease expenditures or operating expenses. The company had to cut costs during the economic downturn to stay competitive. Our manager suggested cutting costs by implementing energy-efficient practices in the office. Next up is balance the books. This collocation is often associated with accounting and finance. At the end of the month or the end of the financial year, companies need to make sure that all their finances are up to date, correct, and in order to balance their accounts, informally known as the books. We can define this as to make sure that the financial records of a business are accurate and complete. The accountant worked tirelessly to balance the books before the end of the financial year. It's crucial for every business to regularly balance the books to ensure financial stability. Our next collocation is secure funding, a term frequently used in the startup and investment world, to successfully obtain financial support or investment for your idea. It's quite common that the brains behind an idea might not really have the money to take it any further. That's where you would look to secure funding and move things on to the next stage. The ambitious entrepreneur secured funding from venture capitalists to launch their innovative project. The non-profit organization secured funding for its community development initiatives. Face financial challenges is the next collocation on our list, and it's used when indicating dealing with difficulties related to money. When a business isn't doing well financially, its profits are down, or there are supply chain problems, for example, this can result in them facing financial difficulties or challenges. The small business face financial challenges due to unexpected market changes. Governments often face financial challenges during economic crisis. let's look at invest wisely. This collocation emphasizes the importance of making smart and informed financial decisions. If you have a sum of money that you'd like to invest in a business, for example, you'd want to find out everything you could about the company before spending or investing your money. This is a wise thing to do. We can define it as to make intelligent and hopefully profitable investment choices. Financial advisors always recommend their clients to invest wisely to achieve long-term financial goals. Learning to invest wisely is crucial for building a secure financial future. Our next collocation is raise capital, a term commonly used in the business world. It's similar in meaning to secure funding that we looked at earlier. It can be defined as to collect money, typically from investors, for a business or a project. These days you might see someone with a business idea or a product idea going online and starting a crowdfunding campaign. The startup successfully raised capital through a crowdfunding campaign. Companies often explore various strategies to raise capital for expansion. Moving on to handle finances, a phrase frequently used in personal and business contexts. We can define it as to manage and take care of financial matters. In a bigger business or a corporation, it might be the CFO who's responsible for the finances. They are ultimately the one who looks after the financial well-being of the company. It's essential to learn how to handle finances responsibly to achieve financial stability. Small businesses often hire financial experts to help them handle their finances efficiently. Moving on. And the next on our list, to generate revenue. Highlighting the process of creating income, in other words. We might also refer to this as to produce income or earnings. The primary source of revenue for most companies is the sale of products or services to customers. But there are also other ways businesses can generate revenue. This could include advertising, licensing, renting or leasing property, and more commonly today you might see charging for subscription services. The company's new marketing strategy helped generate significant revenue. Non-profit organizations often rely on creative fundraising events to generate revenue. And the last collocation on our list today is meet financial targets. To reach or fulfill specific financial objectives. In business, you might have monthly as well as yearly financial goals, objectives or targets. These can be set for you by your boss, for example. You'll come across this collocation frequently in sales-related businesses or when a company sets a certain target for the year. The team work together to meet financial targets set for the quarter. Setting realistic financial targets is crucial for long-term business success. Were any of these collocations new for you? Have you used any of them at work? What other collocations would you like to know more about? Let me know in the comments. In the description box, you'll also find a link to a free podcast version of the lesson. Check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and if you felt this video helpful, please like and subscribe. In the meantime, take care, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.